Zoella.
And I'm Tyler Oakley, and you are watching the behind the scenes of our 17 magazine cover shoot.
Woo! Wow! Make me laugh. It's just.
Hi friends, my name is Tyler Oakley.
I'm Zoella.
I wanted to answer some of your questions. Let's see what you guys want to know. Hello.
Well, hello everyone. I'm doing it quietly so you can't hear me.
Lady Gaga.
Guinea pig.
Darren Chris.
I generally like to take a little bit of everything. Quite a lot of the time I get a lot of fashion inspiration from people on the street. My phone or my laptop.
Oh, my phone. A teacher.
I guess interior design is one of the things that I really love doing. Something like that. Evan Peters.
I have so many. Darren Chris, Nick Jonas, Zac Efron, Zayn, all of One Direction. Everybody, all the boys.
Ellie Goulding.
Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga. Or Oprah, or Ellen, or Beyonce.
Beyonce.
Tyler, Oakley and Zoella. They're great. Awesome.
Okay, so now that you guys have asked me some questions,
Now it's my turn to ask a question.
I want to know, what are you excited to know about me and Zoella?
In this issue of 17.
Let me know in the comments below.